In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Charles Schwab. We'll walk through getting the official Schwab mobile app on your Android phone using the Google Play Store, and I'll share simple tips so everything goes smoothly. By the end, you'll be ready to sign in and start managing your investments right from your device. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, so the download doesn't pause. If the Play Store asks for an update or shows a brief loading screen, let it finish before you continue. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar. This brings up your keyboard and the search field so you can find the app quickly. In the search bar, type Schwab Mobile or Charles Schwab. Spelling matters here, but the store usually suggests the correct result as you type. Look for the result that clearly matches the brand. From the search results, select the official app by the Charles Schwab Corporation. Verifying the developer name is important to make sure you're downloading the legitimate app and not a similarly named one. You'll also see the app icon, ratings, and reviews, which can help confirm you're in the right place. On the app page, tap Install. The button will change to show progress while your phone downloads and installs the app. If you see a quick permissions message from the Play Store, that's normal. Just follow the on-screen prompts. The time it takes to finish depends on your connection and available storage. When the installation completes, tap Open. You can return to this app later from your home screen or the app drawer, where it will appear as Schwab Mobile. On the welcome screen, sign in with your Schwab account credentials. Enter your username and password privately and carefully. If you don't have an account yet, choose the option to create one and follow the on-screen steps provided in the app. You may be offered options like saving your login or enabling biometric sign-in on your device. Select what fits your preferences and security needs. With the app installed, you can manage accounts, trade stocks and ETFs, deposit checks using your phone's camera, transfer money between accounts, and monitor investments in real time. You'll see balances, positions, and activity, and you can keep an eye on market moves from anywhere. That's all you need to download and open the Charles Schwab app on Android. Keep the app up to date through the Play Store for the latest features and security improvements, and you'll have a reliable way to handle your finances on the go.